guys, hello. But hello guys. My webcam ain't working. I didn't know my webcam ain't working somehow. Trying to use it. That's okay, guys. We don't need to use the webcam. But today, guys, as you see to the title, that's what you're coming here for. We're gonna be giving. Okay, my brother's annoying. Now I'm going to close my door. Okay, there we go. I just closed my door. My brother was playing hockey out there. Yep. My brother was. So guys, we're just gonna hop into the video and we're gonna give my friend 30 robux. First thing we're gonna need to do is go up my group. And if you guys wanna get some what is it? Robux? Yes. Join my group. Make sure to join my group, buy my merch, or if you don't have Robux, that's okay. We're gonna be giving him 30 oh, it's right there. That is the one. This is the shirt where he was wearing when he got hacked. Dennis Daily! I can see Dennis Daily's shirt. Okay. Gonna do that, baby. Okay, why did I say that? Well, guys, let's just go and give my friends some Robux. Okay, I'll keep doing that. We gotta do it 3 more times. And make sure to buy this, guys, and you'll be entered to win some Robux. I'll be giving you, like, the more shirts you buy, the more Robux you get. That's how easy it is, guys. Oh my god. I gotta do it. Oh my god, I feel so bad for doing this and losing all my Robux. Anyways, at BC. Anyways, guys. So, yep. Wait. Okay, I'm kind of messing up. I just don't know what I'm doing here. Please tell me, I'm just losing Robux. Bam. Yes. I feel so bad for doing this, but I'm gonna help my friend. He got hacked, so if you guys are that good to buy the shirt for me, I'll be giving out some Robux. Just make sure remember guys, the more shirts you buy, the more Robux you get. So I just gotta keep deleting from my inventory. Oh my god. Sorry guys, you can skip ahead if you want to. I keep falling off my chair because I didn't know I have roller skates on. Okay, my brother just came in. Sorry guys. What? They just came in here because we're about to eat. I'm gonna tell my brother to go and tell my mom and dad that I'll be right up there. I'm just gonna make a video. So I have to finish this video, guys. I never give up. Oh my god, that was good. Okay, guys, the last thing. I'm crying. I wish I had my webcam right now. Well, let's go my group. So now, since we got that, we gotta log out. Oh my god. Wait, why am I? Wait, what? Wait. Oh, where's it? There we go. Boys are cool. I think. Okay, we're logged in. We're logged into it. Boys are cool. Here we are. We're in it, boys. Now let's just switch up There's a person on me right there. This way. What's going on? What's going on? I'm lagging, guys. What? Oh, there you go. Sorry guys about that. Very laggy. Too much talking, hey? I should maybe just shut my hell. Okay. Okay. What are these? Those are never shown up before ever in my life. Cordillans. Mr. Pixels. My favorite guy. Okay, this boys are cool. Okay. Team turn. Oh my god. Okay, he got to join the group first, guys. Then when he joins the group, I gotta log into my account. Back on it again. Then we're all done. Oh, I'm already in the group? How am I? What? I was already in the group that whole time. Oh, I'm done. Oh, where's it? Ah, Corridor 169. Come on. This one of the fastest videos. Guys, in the description, if you want to learn how to record like this, this will be in the description below. Just remember that, guys. And I'll show you how to use it later on in the video. So we're gonna go at group admin. Asking so much people for like a member, admin. I just put him in member. Are you kidding me? This is my sister's account. I gave her robux, but she ain't using it. Okay. Payouts. This way. They could give him 21 robux? Are you kidding me? Well, there it is. Boza. I'm just cool. Remember, guys, what to do. Buy my shirt, and you might win some robux. Payout. Now here's the fun part, guys. The fun part is we get to put on the stuff. We get to put on the stuff. A bad boo, guys. Well, guys, if at the end of the video, stay tuned because there it is, 21 robux. 21 robux. Let's go on me again. Well, that's so cool. Wow, I gave my friends so much robux. The fun part is this. We get to dress him up however he wants. But he told me that he wants to like wear galaxy clothes, just like the account that he got hacked on. I'll put the account that he got hacked on in the description below. Right here. This account he got hacked on. And if you guys want to see it in your Roblox, it'll be in the description below. Stay tuned. So, guys, don't go in the description right now. Do not press it yet, okay? Wait until this video ends, because you're watching the fun part. Tweety Bird. There you go. He said he wanted the gal. Wait. Are you kidding me? Let me go in his inventory this way. Where's his galaxy pants? Said he wanted galaxy pants. And he wanted that galaxy shirt. I should run on that first. Well, I got that. Okay, animations, audio. Where the badges? How much badges does? Don't even tell me. Faces. Wait, he has faces? Oh yeah, that's his favorite one. Get past this. Ah, come on. Where is it? Gear. Heads. Oh, parents. There it is. There we go. The smooth galaxy pen, bro. Galaxy, galaxy, galaxy. Okay. Oh, this was the cheap one. And look, that was the. Wait, what? My thing is loading. I hope it didn't glitch out and just. Oh god. Okay. Galaxy, galaxy. We're gonna go back at the page. Let's go at this inventory again. And we have to buy the shirt. That's 10 robux. A little bit of a budget. Wait. You have to find another galaxy. Are you kidding me? This was off sale that whole time. That was off sale that whole time? Why didn't you tell me? Well, guys, yeah, I think we ain't gonna buy. I think we ain't gonna. Say, grab that for him. Okay. Pants, shirt. There we go. Give him some robux. There. Wait, that's one. Just wait. Oh my god, I should have went back at the main page. Come on, still be there. There it is, guys. We found a galaxy. Guys, we're finding all the galaxy stuff that he likes. Bro, the only thing we need to buy him. Guys, is his hair. He really wanted hair, he said. But I get to choose any hair that he wants. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh. Sabotage looking good. So, I think it's body parts. No, it's accessories. Hat. Oh, he doesn't want a hat. Oh, I gotta buy him one of these shaggies. I'll buy him this shaggy. This shaggy. If there was a purple shaggy. We're gonna buy it. Okay, what else does he want? Maybe a face. How much robux do I have left? 9. Just see how it looks first. I'm really sure how it will look. Yeah. Galaxy. I wanted boys. Okay, that kinda looks good. I see. This one. Might go with that. Whoa, oh, it's a little bit nice. Well, guys, wait, will the glasses match it? Yeah, I want to see if, oh, no, the glasses kind of mess it up. Let's go his catalog again, and we're going to pick a face, and no, only got 1 more minute left before you guys are done, because we want to see the face. Hey, body part, face. Oh, you do not have enough for a face anyways. You'll just get this silly face. Or I think it's in our inventory already. I'm really sure. Okay, guys. I'm done with you. Okay, guys. I think you guys guys.